Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and in this video, I'm going to share arguably one of the most fun and effective ways to get rid of weeds and other brush, not using chemicals such as herbicides that will kill them, but using something like this, a flame. But not just a flame, a torch. This is a weed torch. And it is awesome. I've never even used one, but everything comes with this minus the propane. So you have your regular propane tank, you have a 12-foot extension cord, 12 feet of extension cord. It comes in two pieces. You screw it together, all the tools are provided, it takes all of about 60 seconds. You connect the cable, you turn the propane on, you get it ignited, and then you go to town on the weeds that you might have. Literally instantly are going to get rid of weeds instead of waiting for those herbicides to do their thing. Check this out. So to turn it on, after you have the gas flowing up the tube, you just give it a little turn. You can hear the sound of it. Then it has a built-in igniter. You just press the igniter. Oh man. And then with the press of the trigger, it is literally doing its thing. Check it out. I mean, it is literally cooking the weeds and they're gone. I mean, it's a wrap. The reason I'm doing this is at night, so you gotta get a full appreciation for this, the sheer volume of this torch. This is not a toy. This thing is some serious business right here. To turn it off, you just give it a little twist and then it is off. Up close, you have a stainless steel tip right here. This is all aluminum, stainless steel all the way down. You have a nice ergonomic, sort of hard rubberish handle with a good grip on it. Easy to use torch trigger, we're gonna call it here. All the connections are all metal, so it's all nice. And then this is a high gauge, you can call it a high pressure hose. Again, 12 feet long. It also comes with a storage container. Also comes with white plumber's tape to tape off the seals, just to make sure you have a very, very airtight seal. And then it does come, I want to read this off. It does come with an adapter. So if your propane supply needs a propane tank adapter, converts POL LP tank service valve to a QCC1 type 1. It does come with that as well. Just wasn't needed. Just hooked it up to a standard grill style propane tank. Works like a charm. This thing is ridiculously awesome. I've seen these before, but never had a chance to use them. And when you use them, I mean, this is like, I don't usually give reviews like this, but this is like serious business right here. Definitely serious business. Full disclosure, this company said this to me and said, Ryan, you got any weeds? You want to give our weed torch a test? Give us a full review. Tell us what you think. A little tutorial. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. And we'll talk to you soon.